Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and activate Zara gift card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and activate Zara gift card. So go to the Zara's gift card activation page on Google. So now I'll be putting it here so you can of course go and see it. So this is the page. So basically where you need to go and head is the zara.com/Zara card activation. And here, as you can see, gift card activation. The physical card purchased online must be activated. The virtual card does not require activation. So here you need to go and put in your card number, as you can see, the CVV, activation code, which you get, and text shown in the image. Click activate, and that's that. You will have it activated. It is that easy, guys. So you just need to go again, just tell you zara.com/card activation so that you can go and get it there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.